Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a metadata.io overview and website walkthrough. So this video will have everything you need to know about metadata.io and how you can use it as a guide to B2B demand generation. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the metadata.io website. Just type in this URL on your browser and you should be able to see this landing page. And then from here, you can sign in with your account if you already have one. But if not, you can also get started with a free trial. Here, just follow their prompts when trying out their free trial. And just put in your business email right here. And follow the prompts to get started with your account. Just take note that once you've created your account, you're going to have to eventually schedule, or after you've actually created an account, you're going to have to schedule a call with metadata.io directly so that they can personalize your free trial experience for you. And then you're going to have to link Facebook with business admin access for metadata, or similarly LinkedIn. So after that, once they've got in touch with you, then you start out your free trial. That's when you can proceed to maybe a paid subscription or a continuous progress with your account. All right, so that's how you get started with an account. And you can also check out their walkthrough right here. So if you book a walkthrough, this is going to be a trial walkthrough. Just put in your name and then work email and then which specific product you are interested in, whether that's MetaMatch, Demand Hub, Spotlight, or Agency. All right, so feel free to check this out if you want to try a walkthrough trial. All right, so here we're going to head back to our main page. And before we start, metadata.io is a demand generation platform designed to help B2B marketers optimize and automate their campaigns. It uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to drive higher quality leads, increase campaign efficiency, and improve ROI. So here, we're just gonna have a quick tour on their website, just so we can gather more info about what metadata offers. So here you can turn campaigns into experiments and ad spend to pipeline. Proven results that speak volumes. So here is a live preview of ad spend in the last 12 months and counting. The experiment count. So they already have like a graph or dashboard here just to prove their results. Supercharge your marketing toolkits. You can hack your budget for maximum ROI. Ditch the native channel guesswork. Metadata's intelligent optimization turns every ad dollar into measurable results, supercharging your campaign performance. You can also laser focus your targeting across platforms, allowing you to hit your mark every time with metadata's precision targeting, finding your ideal audience across channels, and dynamically adjusting messages for peak engagement. You have Fuel ABM campaigns with data-driven insights, so you can arm your sales team with intelligence using their ABM strategies to help you skyrocket your campaign success rates. These are some testimonies for users of metadata. Then here's smart features designed for modern marketing. So we have revenue optimization. So this allows you to be ruthlessly efficient and stop wasting money on underperforming campaigns. So you can let metadata automatically reallocate your budget based on what drives pipeline and revenue. So here you can customize your metrics, outcomes, and attribution, and let AI optimize your campaigns using CRM data and get as much as you can out of your existing budget. So here's a sample. You have the ROI triggered one up, and then the progress, current value, and goal, triggered ops number, cost per triggered op. Now let's check audience targeting. So you have a preview here. You can match business profiles to personal emails so you can reach your best fit audiences across Facebook, Google Ads, LinkedIn, and it allows you to get more flexibility to build the best possible audiences, activate first party, third party, and intent data in your paid campaigns, and find your actual buyers and target accounts across channels. Now, for campaign automation, you see here samples of campaign ads from Google Ads, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So like I mentioned a while ago, this is a prerequisite for your free trial. You're gonna have to link either Facebook or LinkedIn. So here you can use the same tool to launch all of your paid campaigns, save serious time, and forget about having to manually build and rebuild new campaigns in each ad channel. So you get to select all of your campaign assets from a single library, push your campaigns directly to each channel, and focus more on strategy, creativity, and driving revenue. Now for campaign experimentation, you can experiment, except at scale. Launch thousands of campaign experiments so you can get clarity on what works, what doesn't, and why. So here, this allows you to test new audiences, messaging, creative, and content offers, uncover insights without having to do the analysis, and apply new learnings to your campaigns immediately. So here's another preview of campaign experimentation, and why metadata.io is your competitive edge. Navigate ad tech trends with confidence, streamline your marketing chaos into strategic action, and real success stories from industry leaders. So you have a bunch of famous names like Nitrogen, Fingerprint, and Writer. You can read more on their stories and articles here. And these are just some ratings. All right, so they have managed services, and their products include metadata campaigns, where you can automate your paid campaigns and drive more revenue, metadata audiences to create advertising audiences using 10 plus data sources, and Spotlight to optimize customer engagement with metadata Spotlight. For other features, you have revenue optimization, optimizing your campaigns to revenue, audience targeting to increase your audience match rates, marketing automation to spend less time launching campaigns, campaign experimentation to run campaign experiments at scale, and lead enrichment to enrich leads with verified business data. For details, you also have some integrations and, of course, trust and compliance to discover how metadata prioritizes your data security and privacy. So let's just take a quick peek at their integrations just to see what we're looking at. So here, make your tech stack work smarter. Have here metadata connects with your ad channels, marketing, automation, platform, and CRM. So it's a quick walkthrough here just to see their integrations, but we're just gonna try to run through this real quick so we can see. All right, so this prompts us to take the full tour or book a demo, but nevertheless, you see a preview of the integrations here. We're just going to check what's down here. All right, actually, you can see it from down here as well. These are some of the integrations available with metadata.io. You have, of course, Meta, Google Ads, and then here you can connect your S3 buckets to metadata. There's Content Gin, Google Analytics, HubSpot, Salesforce, Marketo, Bombora, Aberdeen, Drift. Also quite an extensive list of integrations available with metadata, so feel free to utilize what best suits your business needs. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.